My name is Manuel, also known as Mr. Shooter. I recently just got a order from X-Treme Bullets for next year's 2015 shooting season. Picked it up today from a trucking company, which was about 20 miles away. Definitely worth ordering in bulk. This supply here cost me $81 just to have this shipped to me. So today we're going to do an unboxing because it feels really good when you get to see 25,000 projectiles. Alright, it looks like X-Treme Bullets has changed their bullet box from the last time. Actually black stripe around here. Now these here are 40 180 grain hollow points. Might as well show you guys. I've been shooting these for the last couple of years now. They're actually pretty good bullets. Good for up to 1,400 feet per second if you wanted to use it in an open gun. But 40 caliber. These are actually pretty good. I don't know if you can see that. It's not actually a hollow point, but it is hollow. It doesn't open up like a typical protection round, but it just takes out the weight on the front. I like the profile. It feeds into the ramp of the gun a lot smoother. So this is the main rounds I use. And now the fun part starts. Alright, this didn't take as long as I thought it would. Now for the last step, getting it into the closet space. Finally done. My final thoughts on people that shoot a lot. It's cheaper to go bulk. Pick it up from a freight carrier. Ask X-Treme if you can have it shipped to your local freight carrier. It's very inexpensive, 80 bucks for 25,000 rounds. Have a place to store it and have the manpower to move it around. So 2015 bullets in place. Thank you, X-Treme.